This is your Wegovy 7.2mg pen. It's a single dose pre-fill pen with a hidden needle and automatic dosing mechanism. It's different from the Wegovy 2.4mg Flex Touch pen, which requires you to set a dose manually with a dial. This pen has one preset dose and is used once, then disposed of. Before you do anything else, check the pen. Do not use it if it is expired, it looks like it's been dropped, damaged or stored incorrectly, or the liquid inside the clear plastic window looks cloudy. Check the label says Wegovy 7.2mg and matches what you've been prescribed. You then choose the injection site, so you've got a choice of 3 areas: your upper arm, your stomach, keeping at least 5 centimeters away from your belly button, or the front of your upper thighs. You can use the same body area each week, but not the exact same spot you used last time. So to use the pen, you need to pull the pen cap straight off. Don't put it back on once it's removed. You then press the pen firmly against your skin at the injection site. Keep the needle cover pressed against your skin throughout. For demonstration, I'll show you on my hand. When you push down, you'll see the yellow bar appear in the pen window. This means the injections have started. Keep the pen firmly pressed against the skin until you hear the click and the yellow bar stops moving. This takes around about 5 to 10 seconds. Do not lift the pen early. If you do, the automatic dosing will continue, but you may not get your full dose. If the yellow bar doesn't stop moving, press the pen more firmly against your skin. Once the yellow bar has stopped moving, the injection is complete. Lift the pen away slowly. The needle is contained inside the pen, so there's no needle to remove. You can then dispose of the pen safely as if any other medication. Take it to your pharmacy for safe disposal.